ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి.
So this is the male reproductive system. So in this video we'll discuss about the male reproductive system. So this can be a 4-mark question as well as the 8-mark answer. So they can ask you like anything. You have to be ready for this. So what does this male reproductive system consist of here? Here it consists of parts like 2 pair of testes are present. So can you see that pair of testes? So here a pair of testes are present, okay, one pair, okay, and next a long tube-like structure. Can you see the long tube-like structure? So it is called the vas deferens. Vas deferens. So this vas deferens will unite in the opening of the ureter. So this is the long, this is the urethra here. They will enter in the near the opening of the ureter. Near the bladder you find this urethra. So there you found this urethra. Okay. So what is this testis? So the testes are present in a scrotal sacs. Where they present ma? In the scrotal sacs they are present. Scrotal sacs they are present, okay. A pair of testes are present. So this testis here, they secrete the hormone called the testosterone. Testosterone hormone is secreted by this testis. Along, not only that, in testis we also consist of some seminiferous tubules are present here. So in testis what is present? So many tube-like structures are present here. So those are called seminiferous tubules. This seminiferous tubules only, they will help in the secretion of the sperm cell, okay. So semen, we call it as semen. So this seminiferous tubules are in connection with the vas deferens. So the fluid here it was there in connection with the vas deferens is over. This is vas efferentia. So from the seminiferous tubules here we have the connection with the vas efferentia. Like all, they collect all these things from the seminiferous tubules and they give to the epididynamis. There is a structure called the epididynamis. This is called the epididynamis. They are present on above the testis. So our journey from seminiferous tubules, okay, the secretions were from the testis like semen here. It will enter the seminiferous tubules. From that they enter the vas efferentia. The vas efferentia they collect and from there they give rise to the Epididynamis. This epididynamis, where it is present? It is present on the testis. So from that, again, vas efferentia, a tube-like structure called vas deferens will come. Vas deferens. It's a tube-like structure. This tube-like structure will come in contact near the bladder. Okay, they get mixed with some other fluids like prostate glands and seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle and the prostate glands, they secrete the fluid for the nutrition of the sperm cell. Okay, sperm count. Okay, the seminal vesicle and the prostate gland, they secrete the fluid. That fluid is the nutritive in function. Emuntundana nutritive function ga untundi for the semen. So it passes through the urethra here, that is present in the penis, and this is how the male reproductive system produces the sperm cell. See, understand what are the different parts here? Two pair of testes are present there. And now vas deferens will come. The vas deferens near the opening of the urethra there, they combines with that urethra, and not only with that, they also have some other glands called the prostate gland and also seminal vesicle. They also secrete the fluid. Along with that sperm cell, the fluid also comes out. If you see the structure of the sperm cell here, they consist of acrosome, head, middle piece and tail.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us.
So, this is the acrosome. So, here I am drawing. This is the acrosome, head, middle piece and the tail. So, this is the 4 mark or the 2 mark question. This simply, see here this is the acrosome, like a crown. Here this is the head, here this is the middle piece, here this is the tail, and this is the structure of the sperm cell. So, what are the different parts? Acrosome, head. The head consists of the nucleus. See here will have the nucleus, nucleated, and the middle parts will have the mitochondria.